Saturday, December the 7th, 2024, in Arkansas, a trooper spotted a Chevrolet Malibu speeding on Interstate 30. The driver slowed down when passing a patrol unit, but soon accelerated to 80 miles per hour in a 60 miles per hour zone.
Coming back on. Line driving speed right now about 50. See, it's on up to 40.
When officers signaled a traffic stop, the Malibu took off, weaving through multiple streets in North Little Rock. The chase ended at West 24th Street and Railroad Avenue after a successful TVI. Driver Brian Chavez Castillo was arrested at the scene, while passengers were released unharmed. Castillo was taken for medical clearance before being booked on charges of no driver's license, reckless driving, speeding, and felony fleeing. Lesson learned? The faster you run, the quicker you land in jail.
Everybody else put your hands up! Put your hands up! Hands up!
I'm 97. I'm out with the rock. We're the road.
Stay right there. You, get out! You, get out! Come here. Turn around. Drop down to your knees.
Get the rest of them out. Put your hands up.
All right, middle passenger, come out. Face away. Put your hands behind your back.
Sunday, August 14th, 2022, at 10:30 p.m. in Coweta County, Georgia, a black Hyundai Sonata fled a traffic stop, reaching 132 miles per hour. The driver weaved dangerously, flashing high beams to clear traffic.
Shit, no good pit, no good pit. Change the lanes. Reckless driving. Far right lane at this time. I set up for a pit. Set it up. The right lane. Traffic is gonna be light. Run set up. Good pit, good pit, good pit, good pit.
Down again. Good.
Good pit, good pit, good pit, good pit.
After a tense chase, officers successfully performed a PT, sending the car crashing. The driver jumped to the back seat to deny involvement, but evidence spoke louder. Diamond Cooper was arrested, and a stolen catalytic converter was found in the car. Running from the cops? That only makes things worse.
Back seat, back seat. He jumped to the back seat. I got two occupants. I got two. I got one female. Show me your hands. Open the door. Open the door. Get out.
I'm trying. I didn't do anything.
Get out on the ground and face. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Put your hands behind your back.
I'm sorry, I didn't do anything.
Are you 10-4? $885 Noonan, good pay, chart 51, notify the NCO, please. Stand up for me. Slowly stand up. Turn around, place your hands behind your back. All right, go up to my car.
I was only getting picked up from the airport.
Noonan, start me at 52 as well, please. Sit right here. Hey, what are you doing?
Friday, December 13th, 2024. Garland County, Arkansas. A routine traffic stop turned into a high-speed chase when Michael Bradshaw suddenly locked his doors, started his engine, and took off.
We're on Cataloop, Nissan, Frontier. It's going to be a Bradshaw driving. We're on the loop still. We're coming up on Pier C.
Better not run, I'm gonna shoot you! I'm gonna shoot you!
His Nissan Frontier sped past a stop sign before crashing into the woods. When arrested, Bradshaw admitted he fled to avoid a search. Inside his vehicle, officers found 4 firearms, 3 of them loaded, along with 2.1 grams of methamphetamine. I have to say, if you're already in trouble, running from the cops only makes it worse. Bradshaw just destroyed his own future.
Head! Right now!
Get up, come on.
17, go ahead.
Come on. 17 racked out. He did 10-15. Cattle Gap, Piercy, I think. We're Cattle Gap. Yeah, Cattle Gap and Piercy area. Hit on bumper. Why are you running?
Piercy Road wrecked out 10-15 times 1. You need EMS.
Tuesday, October 12th, 2024, in Arkansas, a trooper noticed a white Dodge Challenger lingering in the left lane. When signaled to pull over, the driver, Dontarius Gordon, suddenly hit the gas, pushing speeds over 139 miles per hour, weaving through traffic and using the shoulder to pass. At mile 42, the trooper executed a 126 miles per hour TVI, sending Gordon's car crashing into the barrier. But he wasn't done yet. He bailed out and ran on foot, slipping multiple times as the officer chased him down. With help from a passing motorist, police finally subdued and arrested him. The outcome? Gordon now faces multiple felony charges, including evading arrest, resisting, and drug possession. Maybe he learned the hard way. The faster you run, the worse it ends. Saturday, February 3rd, 2024, at 9:11 p.m. in Clay County, officers attempted to stop a suspicious vehicle. Instead of complying, the driver fled, forcing police to initiate a pursuit. During the chase, officers confirmed the vehicle had invalid registration and the driver lacked identification. The suspect kept changing directions, even crossing into another county in an attempt to evade capture. However, police were already aware of his route.
I think we're close enough. I want to check
After more than 9 minutes of pursuit, officers stopped the suspect and ordered him to the ground. They immediately recognized him from a previous chase a month ago. When questioned about drugs, the suspect dodged the questions, frustrating officers due to his repeated offences. In the end, the suspect was taken into custody while officers checked for outstanding warrants. You might escape once, but run twice, and the cops will remember your face.
John what?
Brumley.
John Brumley. We chased you a month ago. I don't know where we're at.
Next to Bridge Branch.
Hang on just a second. Where we're at?
Next to Bridge Branch.
Clear. North Jefferson making a right.
We're southbound on Jefferson.
Friday, January 8th, 2021, at 9:25 p.m. in Milledgeville, Georgia. A dark minivan left a convenience store with no taillights and turned into the Economy Inn. When officers attempted to stop, the driver sped off, squealing the tires.
Right now, Jefferson and Montgomery.
Okay, Jefferson and Montgomery.
Making a left on Montgomery. Left on Montgomery.
We're clear, making a left on Montgomery.
Just went straight through the intersection, and we're coming to a back road back here. Pulling.
We're clear, coming up on that back road.
We're at Hancock, and we are making a left on the Hancock. Headed out 22 towards Sparta. It looks like it's one occupant.
The driver, Forest Trees, led police on a reckless chase, running red lights, weaving through traffic, and exceeding speed limits. The pursuit ended when officers performed a Poiti manoeuvre, causing the van to crash and flip. Trees fled on foot into the woods, while his passenger, Rihanna Heron, was found injured and trapped inside the wreck. A search of their hotel room uncovered suspected meth and drug paraphernalia. Heron initially claimed ignorance, but later admitted Treese was driving. Running from the law only digs a deeper hole.